There's a free PDF editing tool that you can use right now without having to sign up, without having to download an application, but there's a small drawback to this. It's that the files that you upload are not private. They're uploaded to their hosting system. Now, there's a workaround to this because BentoPDF has an open source system that you can add it to your VPS. That way the files are uploaded to your private VPS and it's going to be private proof. Now this is BentoPDF and it's pretty cool that you can get all of this for free. Jump over to the website and use it right now. Sign PDF, JPG to PDF, extract, crop, compress. All of this will be free to use right now. Like I said, the only drawback is the actual privacy of this usage. But to fix this, we're going to use this on our own VPS using Hostinger Docker. Now, if you want to grab a hosting plan, you can grab right now a VPS that's super affordable that lets you add as many applications as you want in the VPS, including BentoPDF. So they have several plans available for VPS, starting from $6.49 a month and all the way up to $25.99 a month. Now let's go ahead and choose the most popular one, which is $8.99 a month, because I'm going to show you how to apply a coupon code that's going to drop the price even more. Now the first thing you need to do is select the amount of months you want to pay in advance. I recommend 24 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price. Now this is the current pricing, but in have a coupon code, we're going to type in or paste in my coupon code and the price is going to drop to $194.18. Remember, that's for the KVM 2 plan that lets you install multiple applications. Now once you have your VPS, you'll find it over here on your hPanel. Go to VPS, select the VPS where you have the brand new one. Go ahead and install Docker. Once you do that, you'll have the Docker manager to install multiple applications, including BentoPDF, to have a private PDF editor inside your VPS. To do that, let's go into Compose, one-click deploy, and then one-click deploy, we're going to search for Bento. Let's go ahead and select this, and we have the option to deploy, and here we go. It is now being installed in my VPS. Now, once that's finished, I'll have it ready to go to start using. Now, I'm not going to wait because I already installed BentoPDF right here. So let's go ahead and open this up. And this is just exactly like the one that's hosted on their site. Look at this. This is their site. This is mine. And if I go to licensing, you can see it's open source. Now, if I want to use for commercial use, I can grab a lifetime deal for $49, which is still super affordable. But if I'm going to use this just for my personal use, where I'm going to keep my PDFs private, this is a fantastic option. So you can grab it right now and install it on a Docker VPS like I showed you. Now I'll have access to use all of these tools right now, like PDF multi-tool, merge PDFs, split PDFs, compress PDFs, so on and so forth. For example, let's go ahead and open one of these up, the PDF multi-tool. I'm going to upload a PDF. So in this case, I'm going to upload this template that I'm going to use here. I can go ahead and select it and I can do several things like delete it, like adding a blank page. I can compress, I can merge of these. I can merge, I can split, and I can do so much more. So depending on your use case. So for example, I'll just go ahead and go back and click on, for example, compress PDF, grab the PDF that I want to use. Here we go. And now I'm going to go through the compression settings. So the compression algorithm, condense or photon, compression level, so balanced, light, aggressive, or extreme. So be aware that if you have images on the PDF and you go with extreme, those images are going to look a little bit pixelated. So do consider that. And you can convert to grayscale again to reduce the file size. And there's custom settings available for this. Remember, all this is free to use and unlimited on your VPS. Plus the files that you upload are private because they are uploaded into your VPS and not BentoPDF's hosting system. So there's so many things that you can do, including sign PDFs, duplicate and organize, and the list goes on of all the things that you can do. And the best thing of all is that it's completely free and open source and obviously private if you use it on your VPS. So installing this BentoPDF on your hosting system is super easy, as you can see with the one-click install. Now here's the brand new installation and I can start using it. So you can see here, I have 2 Bento installations. I can just go ahead and open this and start using it right away. So what are you waiting for? Sign up right now for a hosting plan, grab your VPS and install the BentoPDF system in your Docker. Now be aware that you can install multiple applications in your VPS like I've done right here, which makes it super attractive. So instead of just grabbing one, go ahead and go to the one-click install and see all the available applications that you can install on your VPS. So super easy, open source, free, and private using your own VPS. So install BentoPDF right now.